Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful tulip keychain or the back charm. I am going to use yarn of these two colors and a hook of 2.5 mm. Apart from all these things, we will need a keychain holder, few beads, ribbon and yarn needle. So I am going to begin with yarn of color and this is a slip knot on my hook, chain 3. Go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch, chain 1. We are not going to count this chain. Now insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2. Single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join these on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Chain 1. This is a turning chain. We are not going to count this chain. On the top of 4 single crochet, we have to do 2 single crochet. So we increased a stitch here. Again, 2 single crochet on the top of next stitch. So complete the round, and at the end of the round there should be 12 single crochet. After the end of the round, join the stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Chain 1. This is a turning chain. On the top of each stitch we have to do 1 single crochet. So complete this round and 5 more rounds by doing 12 single crochet on the top of each stitch, and we will meet again when all these 6 rounds would be completed. When all these rounds are complete, cut the yarn from here and pull through tightly. Now add some synthetic filling inside this tulip. When we fill this tulip with synthetic filling, I'm going to show you how to close the mouth. So insert the needle into the row just below the upper row and just pull the needle in this way. Insert the needle just below the upper layer and pull the yarn in this way, giving it a shape of tulip. When sewing is complete, our tulip is going to look like this. Make one more tulip for our keychain following the same pattern, and we will meet again when these 2 tulips would be completed. When these 2 tulips are complete, I am going to show you how to make leaves. So for the leaf, this is slip knot on my hook. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now into the 4th stitch, slip stitch 1, yarn over, into the next stitch, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Into the next stitch, slip stitch 1, yarn over, into the next stitch, half double crochet. So complete doing 10 half double crochet into 10 stitches, and we will meet again when these 10 stitches would be completed. Now into the last stitch, we have to do a slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Now insert this yarn inside this and pull the yarn in this way. Now chain 1, 2, 3 again, join these chains here, into the third chain, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now take a tulip and insert the hook here, pull through 2. Now cut the yarn from here and pull through tightly, hide the tail of the yarn inside the tulip. Now this tulip is added to the keychain. For the second leaf, this is a slip knot on my hook and I'm going to do 13 chains for the leaf. Complete the leaf following the same pattern that we did earlier, and we will meet again when this leaf would be complete. When the leaf is complete, into the last stitch we have to do slip stitch. Now join this leaf into the chain here with slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Add another tulip here, so insert the hook, pull through. Now cut the yarn from here. Now pull the yarn tightly and hide the tail of the yarn into this tulip. Now this part of the keychain is complete. Now I am going to show you how to add beads and ribbon to this keychain. So now take yarn needle and yarn of color P. Now I'm going to add 24 beads. So insert 24 beads and we will meet again when these beads are inserted into the yarn. When all these beads are inserted into the yarn, just sew the end on the top of the keychain and tie the knot tightly on the top of the keychain. Now cut both of the ends of the yarn. When this part of the keychain is complete, I am going to add ribbon. So take the end of the ribbon and now make a nice knot. So this beautiful keychain is now complete. These are the two colors in which I did this project. You can use the colors of your choice to make this keychain. This can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.